Welcome back, everybody. This is a new variant of the FX Leopard. It is FDE, and the main difference is that this bottom part of the chassis is polymer, so there's a little bit of weight savings there. So I'm sure they're gonna start coming out with different colorways for some of the other platforms as well, but this is all that I know about right now. Some of the other things is the cheek rest is FDE, the butt pad, and the gauge covers. So it's a little bit more lightweight than the previous version, and having a compact barrel with that is pretty nice. And as far as I know right now, it's only available with the tube version of the Leopard, not the bottled versions. One thing I like about it is a lot of the weight is in the butt, and so when I'm just walking around carrying this around, all of the weight is back here tucked into my arm, and so I really don't even have to sling these or anything, but it doesn't really strain my arm that much because there's hardly any weight out here in the front. I could even lighten it up more in the front if I put a different bipod or just took the bipod off in general, but I do like carrying these around. The Leopard is probably one of my favorite platforms right now besides my Panthera, and I'm just desperately waiting for a bigger plenum to come out. I really hope that is something that is in the works, but one can hope. So anyways, guys, I got some other videos coming out soon. I've been out with bronchitis for like 5 weeks. It is just ridiculous. And so I'm finally not coughing and getting my voice back so I can start making some more videos again. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.